Okay, so now we'll make a double cloth using 3 up 2 down tool as a face design. So you know that for the 3 up 2 down tool you need 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 5 boxes. So I'll make the design later. So and for the 5 end satin as a back design. So for the 5 end satin also we need the uh, uh, 5 by 5 boxes. Okay, so for making the double cloth, uh, we need one. Say we are taking 1:1 face is to back, so that means face one yarn and back one yarn. So face means this design, that is 5 end, and back means this design 5 end. So the total number of ends and peaks should be 5 plus 5. Yeah, 1:1. That's why it should be like this. Yeah, face back, face back, face back, face back, face back. So you can see, count the face, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so matching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So back also 5 and matching. Same thing in the web direction. Okay, so our design should be 10 by 10. Is it clear? Okay, let's first fill the twill fabric. So I'm just doing all these things because I know you might have forget it. So I just put the uh, twill fabric. So first fill the corners, then 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. This side no space, so come 2, 3. Okay. So is it clear? So this is a 3 up, 2 down, 12. Okay. Now we make a satin fabric. Yeah. 1. I am taking a move number 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is a satin. Okay. So first principle for the double cloth. Okay. Before that, maybe we can discuss this thing, that we need to mark this. This is your face position, face position, face position. You can see here the warp is face here, weft is face. So this is the face position. Okay. So same way. So similarly, this is your back position. Here warp the back warp and weft the back weft. Same, this one, this one, this one. Okay. I hope you understand. If not understand, just ask me after the video. I will tell you. Okay. So first principle is, when back weft passes, all face warp should be up. This is the back weft, and this is the face warp. This is the back weft. This is the face warp. Okay. So when the back weft passes, face warp should be up. Okay. Okay. I'm just filling this. All that you can see here, all the position I am marking is back weft and the warp is face warp. You understand it very clearly. This is a very simple thing if you understand it. So all the position I am marking here, it is back weft, face warp. So for the back weft, when the back weft passes, all the face warp is up. So when you know, as when you fill the boxes, so means the warp is up, corresponding warp is up. Okay, now we need to mark first the uh, face warp and face weft. So because this is the face design, so where the warp is face and weft is face, you can see this position is the warp face, weft face. This position, warp face, weft face. Okay, so I just fill this design in that. Okay, you can see, count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in the uh, vertical direction, there are 5 boxes. Here also you can see 5 boxes. In the horizontal direction also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 boxes. So here also 5 boxes. So now we need to put this design on these boxes. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Next one down. Okay, so this is down. 1, 2, 3. Third one, first 2 down. So 1, 2 down. 1, 2, 3. Fourth one up, 2 down. Fourth one, this one up, 2 down, 1, 2 up. Okay, and the fifth, 2 up, 2 down, 2 up, 2 down, 1 up. So if you see it from a distance, you can see the same twill lines are available. Okay, so now we need to fill the satin. So it is the back position. So this is your back position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can see warp is back, weft is back. So in that places, so in this direction also there would be 5. So same number of boxes are there. So we need to fill this design in that back position. Okay, so this is the back position. So in this line there is no other. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So next back position here. Next 1, 2, 3. Back position here. 1, 2, 3. Back position here. 1, 2, 3. And the back position here. So you can say same design I put here. So now if I say this design, so this is a design without any stitches. So if you see the fabric, it would be like a sack. Like this way. Okay, so if you see the top side, this should be your TW twill, and if you see the bottom side, this is a satin. Okay, so this side is satin and this side is your twill. So there is no connection because you can get completely two fabric, and at the selvage they would be connected together. So if you cut the selvage portion, there would be two fabrics you can get. Okay, now you need to do some kind of stitching. So stitching is solely on you. You can do any kind of stitching, but do in such a way that if the stitching is too much, then the design of the face will be affected. So normally we give 1 to 2 stitch for 25 positions, means for this much position we normally give 1 to 2 stitch, not more than that. But if you want more compact fabric, maybe you can increase the stitch, say 3 to 4 stitch also you can add, so no problem. So always do one more thing, that when you stitch the thing, ensure that the effect of the face is not damaged. Because what is stitch? Stitch means actually we have given these two conditions. When backward passes, face warp should be up. Okay, so that means backward should not touch the face warp. So if the backward is under the face warp, no problem, you can't see it. But when it goes over the face warp, that would make a stitch, and during the stitch the back weft appearance is coming to the face. So ensure that it is not damaging the design, especially for the color design, color yarns. Yeah, if the back weft design is, or yarn is something completely different yarns, and when it comes to the face fabric it can affect. So you must ensure that okay, this effect can be minimum as possible. Okay, another thing is when phase wave passes, back warp should be down. We have already did it. So now if you violate any of these two, there would be a stitch. Okay, I just use a very dark color. Let's see how can I can give the stitch. So here the back weft face warp. Okay, I do this type of stitching. So this is your back weft and this is your face warp. So if I just down this, it would be a stitch. Yeah, like this one, 2, 3, 4, kind of in a line it would be. So this would gives you some stitch. Yeah, that's all. Now if I wanted to make another kind of stitch when face weft passes, back warp should be down. Now if I up the back warp for the face weft, so back warp is this one and face weft is this one. Okay, so I just give this kind of stitch. Yeah, this is a stitch. If I up this position means it would be a stitch. If this is also back warp, yeah, face weft back warp, you can see the weft is a face and warp is a back. So if I give a stitch also okay. Okay, this is your face weft also back warp. If I give a stitch also, so I already give some stitch in this direction, I give some stitch in this direction too, but using the different principle. Okay, so this is a double cloth with face is 3 up 2 down twill and back is 5 and satin. So that means the face fabric would be gives you a twill lines, whereas the back fabric will be a smooth fabric, gives you a very comfort. So this is the reason we normally make the double cloths. Hope it is clear. If you have any question, just ask me.